Mercedes S-Class. A further cool Mercedes-Benz E-Class feature for 2024 enhances life inside the opulent sedan. As more cars drive the globe's green transition by focusing more on recycling and sustainable materials, this is a move that will help the world become a greener place. In addition, according to Mercedes, ambient light can visualize data from the parking assist system and provide visual alerts for improved safety when crossing intersections with cross-traffic. Range Rover. After bypassing the 2023 model year, the 2024 Land Rover Range Rover Sport SV is now available. This elegant and well-behaved high-performance vehicle can reach 60 miles per hour in under 3.6 seconds thanks to a new twin-turbo mild hybrid engine that summons 626 unbridled horses. Bentley Flying Spur. The third generation of Bentley's luxury sedan is the 2023 Flying Spur. The Arnage, the Turbo R, and the T2 are classic Bentley luxury sedans that everyone knows and adores. The Continental GT's architecture was employed in the Bentley Flying Spur, which was the company's first model to be produced under German management. Bentley is undoubtedly one of the most exclusive, opulent, and evocative automakers in existence today. Perhaps the only other ultra-luxury sedan that you might like to drive yourself as opposed to having a chauffeur drive you is the Bentley Flying Spur. Rolls-Royce Phantom. The Phantom is undoubtedly a lavish and pricey masterpiece created to the tastes and preferences of the carmaker's discerning consumers from all over the world. It is one of the most recognized symbols of high rank and extravagance. Given that they are rich enough to afford such high levels of extravagance, the majority of Rolls-Royce customers never hesitate to make their Phantoms their very own. Automobiles are genuinely amazing feats of engineering. Actually, they are extremely intricate works of art. This is especially true when automakers bring sophisticated, high-end products to life. As an illustration, Rolls-Royce has been the source of such creations, including the Phantom. However, this most recent creation from Rolls-Royce is the most complicated Phantom the high-end automaker has ever created. BMW i7.
Jaydee.
With a new portfolio of all-electric vehicles that use 5th-generation BMW eDrive technology, M-specific performance features, and a 348-mile range, BMW is fully supporting the technology. This luxurious sports sedan can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds thanks to electric motors at the front and back axles that produce a combined 660 HP.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free. I am looking forward to see you in the next video.